Here's the truth. Even though you make more money than most people, you still feel behind financially. Not because you're bad with money, but because there's no money system in place. Next month is even more uncertain than the last, and your money decisions feel reactive instead of intentional. You're saving some money here, investing there, paying off debt when you have extra money lying around, which we all know doesn't happen as realistically as you'd like. You're putting in the hard work, but hard work without a system just creates randomness, not progress. Because for some reason, our finances can be one of the easiest things to ignore when life gets hard. 2 years go by and we find that we're just stuck in the same place. That's why after over a decade in corporate finance and helping hundreds of families like yours, I created a money system outlining how to create predictable months, reduce your money decisions, and align your money to your life. These steps are more than just the strategies or resources that you'll need, but it's the foundational system of where your confidence is going to start building on so that you can start getting ahead. When a system like this is in place, the biggest change isn't some massive overnight win or success story. That almost never happens. It's that your months become more predictable, your money decisions are made ahead of time, and really you just stop feeling like you're consistently reacting all the time. Now, I can't make any promises about how much extra money you'll be able to find in your finances or how large your net worth will grow because of this. But what I can do is show the results of other people who have created their own money system. Like Angie, who paid off over half her debt in 11 months while also buying a car, started to put money towards investing accounts and funding her emergency savings. Or Janine, who tried many other methods with no success before trying this money system and was able to pay off one credit card in the first 30 days. Or Tony, who used the $8,000 he freed up with his new money system to pay off some debt. They were all tired of feeling stuck month after month after month, and they did something about it. While I can't promise you these specific outcomes, what I can promise you is if you start today, you will have a greater understanding of your money decisions in the next 30 days than you've ever had in your entire life. And it's all free inside of Dollar Discipline University. So if any of this interests you, I'd love to see you inside. Click below and let's get to work.